Howdy folks, this is the first inaugural run for a new pizza oven. Very excited to try it out today. It's by Cuisinart. This is part of Cuisinart's Outdoor line, and I'm going to be testing it out with two pizzas. This modified Detroit style pizza, which is some urban slicer pizza crust. That's great for both deep dish and for Detroit style pies. And we just have a cavalcade of meats and cheeses and olives and stuff on there. So without further ado, let's get this over the oven. It is slippery out. So here's a bit of a look at the new Cuisinart pizza oven, and it's really simplistic. What I like about it already is that it has a hinged top. It's got a nice 12-inch stone on there. And then this will also pop down so you can keep some heat in there when you're looking to get the top of your pie done and delicious. So that will help promote browning. But yeah, without further ado, get that popped up, and makes for a pretty simple launch there. So we're gonna check this in about 3-minute increments. It says that we're at about 700 right now. I'm going to adjust that and get right back with you. All right, so 3 minutes have elapsed. We're back out here, and it's already looking really good for not that much time having gone by. You can see the cheese is melting in, the meats are sweating down. So I did adjust the temperature. I had turned it all the way down, and it dropped a few hundred degrees, but it is, it's under 40 out here. It's in the mid 30s. So I've turned it back up a bit, and we're gonna go another 3 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so another 3 minutes have gone by. Take a look at this Detroit style pie. It is cooking away. Really not much else I can say other than let it do its deal. See you in another 3 minutes. All right, so another 3 minutes have gone by. Let's go outside, have a look at our pie. Still looks amazing, and yeah, this looks like it'll probably be a 12 to 15 minute cook. The stone is temping in the 5s, which is great. It's a little less towards the front. Let's see how it is here. F585, 658. For some reason there. Kind of all over the place. That's something that we will look at in the future. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it this way. Go from there. See you in 3. Okay, so we're at the 12-minute mark, and I would call this done. We've got some nice cheese latticing on the sides of the pan. Some of the olive oil that was in the bottom is boiling away and doing its stuff. So I call this a win. I'm going to go ahead and let this rest, pull it off, and see about doing another pizza. Hopefully you'll stick around for that. If not, Paul from Grilling Montana. Catch you next time.